stop button and 3 lights will be on. I'm going to press the first button. Now 6 lights are on. I'm going to press the second button. 9 lights are on. And now third button, which all the lights are on. Move forward 60. Turn right. Move forward 30. So now 3 lights are gone. Music is fairyland. It's waiting 2 seconds up. Now it's looking up and down. It said hi and now it's waiting. Now it went backward 30. Turn left. Forward 30.
Magical ice cream corner.
Hi.
Hi.
Now
Village.
lights. It said hi. It went backward 30. It turned. Move forward 60. And it turned back to its place.